Okay, here's a gasoline Kohler generator. Didn't work. Didn't stay running. No water coming out the exhaust, so impeller is a logical situation. No problem. So I closed the seacock, pulled the impeller cover off. It was a real pain getting this impeller out of there. It was disintegrated, totally pulverized, burnt, and you can see the foam here from the engine cover, generator cover, is burnt into the impeller cover. See that? And if you look at the impeller cover itself, wherever that is, yeah, it's right there. So you can see it's burnt out the foam. So not a good situation. Really rough inside the impeller housing too. So the new one that I put in there is not going to last very long for sure. It's pretty rough. Anyway, I removed the drain, or removed the hose to the exchanger, heat exchanger, and it was just basically full solid with rubber bits. Dumped out as much as I could. I can't do much more than that right now. The generator has to get running for an inspection. This is really 600%. So I'm sure there's more rubber bits in the system going into the exchange. Alright, so